In today's world, ensuring the air quality within our homes is as vital as ever. The Smart Air Wi-Fi Monitor is a cutting-edge solution tailored for families seeking a healthier living environment. This intelligent device is your family's silent sentinel, providing real-time tracking of air quality with the ease of remote access. Key air quality factors such as particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOx, and carbon dioxide, CO2, levels are meticulously monitored. The monitor's Wi-Fi connectivity allows family members to check the air quality at home from anywhere, offering peace of mind with just a glance at their smartphones. Intelligent alerts are a standout feature, notifying you instantly if air quality drops below healthy levels. This proactive approach empowers you to take immediate action, such as ventilating the home or activating air purifiers. Ensuring your family's well-being is always a priority. For families with sensitive individuals, the Smart Air Wi-Fi Monitor is indispensable. It serves as an early warning system, helping to prevent discomfort or exacerbation of conditions caused by poor air quality. The data it provides is not just informative but actionable, guiding you to make the best decisions for your family's health. In essence, the Smart Air Wi-Fi Monitor is a modern necessity, safeguarding your family from the invisible threats of air pollution. To explore how this innovative device can benefit your family, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I'm here to answer your questions and will respond promptly within 24 hours.